Imagine watching a rocket booster gently fall into a giant net floating in the ocean. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it just happened. China's technological breakthroughs are no longer just headlines. They are reshaping how we think about space, energy, and even medicine. From catching rockets with nets to building brains for machines, this country is moving fast. And the best part? These advances affect your daily life more than you might think. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on these game-changing innovations. Trust me, you will want to stay tuned. China just achieved something extraordinary. It successfully caught a falling rocket booster using a giant net at sea. This historic event happened during the first ever flight of the Long March-10B rocket. The rocket launched from Hainan province. It carried a satellite into orbit. Then, roughly 6 minutes after liftoff, the first stage booster made its way back to Earth. Instead of relying on heavy landing legs like SpaceX's Falcon 9, China used a floating net mechanism. A specialized recovery vessel called the Linghangzhe, or Navigator, did the catching. This ship is 144 meters long. It has smart dynamic positioning technology. The net system is adjustable and gently cradles the returning booster. This clever approach eliminates the need for landing gear. That means the rocket can be lighter and carry more payload. It also makes spaceflight cheaper. China's technological breakthroughs in reusable rocket technology are truly game-changing. By retrieving these expensive first-stage components, China aims to dramatically lower costs while expanding its capabilities for future heavy payload missions. This bold move signals a new era in space exploration. China is rapidly expanding its national computing power network. This effort solidifies its position as a global leader in artificial intelligence infrastructure. Recent reports show the country scaled its intelligent computing capacity to over 1.5 million pflops by the end of last year. That is the second largest pool of high-end AI resources worldwide. To keep this momentum going, China plans to invest roughly $150 billion into advanced IT equipment. This massive effort aims to spark innovation in vital sectors. These include autonomous driving, the low-altitude economy, and synthetic biology. They have already established over 13.7 million standard computing racks. Shanghai has unveiled a revolutionary green marine power system. It combines a hydrogen internal combustion engine with liquid organic hydrogen carrier technology. This system is designed for inland waterway vessels. The hydrogen is dissolved in a special liquid. This allows for safe storage and transport at normal temperature and pressure. Better yet, it generates zero carbon emissions. The system operates at just 1 megapascal of pressure. This is a huge improvement over conventional systems that require up to 40 megapascals. This innovation drastically enhances safety and efficiency. The system has achieved a tested power output of 120 kilowatts. It will be integrated into an 800-ton vessel. This ship can carry 14 tons of liquid hydrogen. It will have an impressive range of roughly 1,000 kilometers. China's technological breakthroughs in green energy are not just for ships. This versatile technology also supports stationary power generation, data centers, island power supplies, and emergency backup power. China's gravity. There are sparse populations and assets in the open ocean. They also provide secure flight paths during emergencies. China's technological breakthroughs in sea launch technology offer another advantage. Open sea operations allow flexible launch azimuth selections. These can be customized to diverse mission requirements. This flexibility allows them to deep underground in southern China. A monumental scientific project is starting up. The high-intensity heavy-ion accelerator facility is now complete. This massive machine is designed to push heavy ions to near light speed. Its goal is to uncover the fundamental secrets of matter. The facility features a vast 2-kilometer beamline. It also includes advanced circular synchrotrons. The team used groundbreaking innovations to build this machine. These include high-precision bending magnets. They also created an incredibly clean vacuum chamber. These innovations allow the facility to produce the world's highest pulsed, heavy ion beam intensity. But this super microscope has real-world applications beyond pure research. It can simulate cosmic rays to test satellites in space. It can help develop superior crop varieties for farmers. China's technological breakthroughs here also hold promise for medicine. The facility could pioneer advancements in heavy ion cancer therapy. It could also help produce medical isotopes for diagnosis and treatment. As the facility begins trial operations, it stands as a testament to engineering excellence. It empowers the scientific community with unprecedented capabilities for discovery in physics, medicine, and beyond. A global memory chip shortage is getting worse. The surging demand for artificial intelligence is the main driver. AI chips are far more lucrative. So, manufacturers worldwide are shifting production away from traditional memory components. This leaves supply chains under immense pressure. Chinese chip makers are stepping up to fill this gap. Many of them are located in Shenzhen. They are actively scaling up their production lines. These companies are focusing heavily on enterprise-grade storage solutions. Memory modules and solid-state drives are essential for data center operations. Cloud service providers are also feeling the pinch. They are stockpiling and placing advanced orders to mitigate potential disruptions. China has introduced a groundbreaking homegrown supercomputer named Tianqiong. This advanced machine is set to revolutionize scientific research. It'll have a major impact on fields like materials, science, and biopharmaceuticals. Conventional systems often suffer from congested data flow. Tianqiong solves this problem with an innovative 3D network architecture. This allows for simultaneous, multi-directional data movement. This technological leap provides a significant boost in performance. The machine operates at speeds 2 to 4 orders of magnitude faster than traditional alternatives. This speed enables researchers to solve previously impossible challenges in days. A practical demonstration of this power is visible at the Shanghai Academy of AI for Science. A specialized team used the system to model a complex virus structure. This virus contained hundreds of thousands of atoms. China's technological breakthroughs in supercomputing have drastically reduced the timeline for antiviral drug discovery and development. Shanghai has launched China's first AI-powered autonomous laboratory. This facility is dedicated to materials science. It represents a significant advancement toward AI-driven research and development. The lab completed a 5-day trial run ahead of a major AI conference. During this trial, it independently carried out 135 complex research tasks. It did all of this without any human intervention. The advanced system fully automates complicated experimental procedures. Specialized AI agents operate diverse laboratory instruments on their own. This significantly boosts scientific productivity. Key experts highlight that these automated agents streamline workflows effectively. They also enhance research capacity across complex setups. University-born research teams are utilizing this autonomous facility. China achieved a historic milestone in reusable space technology on July 10. The Long March-10B rocket made its maiden flight. It launched from the Hainan Commercial Spacecraft Launch Site. The mission successfully delivered its orbital payload. It also safely recovered the rocket's first stage. The rocket is powered by a cluster of 7 YF-100 engines. These engines burn liquid oxygen and kerosene. Together, They generate roughly 900 tons of thrust at liftoff. 5 of these engines are gimbaled for precision steering. 2 engines remain fixed, and 5 possess restart capabilities. Shanghai is transforming its streets and parks into a living AI showroom. This transformation is for the upcoming 2026 World Artificial Intelligence Conference. The annual event features 6 curated routes. These routes connect more than 20 distinct application scenarios across urban spaces. They highlight how technology permeates daily life, industry, and city development. Highlights include the newly built Zhangjiang AI Roadshow Center. This space is designed as an industrial parlor for market connection. It also hosts immersive, scenario-based displays. Another highlight is the Met AI Hub. It showcases the complete ecological chain, from algorithm research to embodied intelligence deployment. In Jing'an District, spaces like Meta 500 Tech transform historic villas into interactive extended reality centers. These spaces offer market-ready consumer products. China's technological breakthroughs are on full display here. By integrating cutting-edge robotics and smart devices, the metropolis reinforces its standing as a global hub. Chinese scientists have developed a high-power density cathode-closed air-cooled fuel cell stack. This innovation marks a significant advancement in hydrogen energy technology. It is specifically engineered for small and medium power applications. The stack boasts superior power density and robust environmental adaptability. It also has an extended operational lifespan. The project team established an end-to-end autonomous research and production system. This ensures proprietary intellectual property and large-scale delivery capabilities. These advanced fuel cells are being deployed across various sectors. They are used in forestry, agriculture, and power line inspections.